What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Altcoin Chief, where we talk about crypto and blockchain. If you don't want to miss any crypto gems for the upcoming bull run, then make sure you click the subscribe button now. And welcome back to our weekly week in review of the crypto space. To start things off, let's go ahead and have a look at the cryptocurrencies prices by market cap. This is on CoinGecko, and as we can see, Bitcoin is at 28.5, it's been up 3.3% in the past 7 days, also on the rise in the 24-hour period. So is Ethereum, it's pushing upwards of the $1,800 mark. And let's have a look at the best performing assets in the past 24 hours. That would be Casper, which had a great pump, 7 days, and 24-hour is looking great for Casper. We have tokens like Render, Toncoin, Arweave, Singularity as well, and others with a pretty decent looking pump. Also, Synthetics Network is one of the tokens that we'll have a review of on the channel in the near future. These guys are up 4.8% in the past 24 hours. If we have a look at the losers of the 24-hour period, Mask is one of them. They were on an upside recently, so was XRP actually in the past 7 days, 21.8%. So we are seeing a bit of steady price action after such a huge pump. Arbitrum is on this list as well. Arbitrum has been covered heavily on this channel for the past few months, especially before the airdrop. We were covering Arbitrum before it was cool, and it currently is sitting at $1.34. So one of the bigger news this week was the listing of Binance of Radiant Capital. Radiant Capital is a token that we've reviewed on the channel heavily. We've also posted many tweets about it, especially at very low levels. If we go back to our very first video, you can see that we've covered Radiant at around 5 cents. And currently Radiant is trading at around 40 cents. So that's around 8x in price since our very first video. But we've also covered Radiant many times in our tweets. So if you're not following the Altcoin Chief on Twitter, then I do recommend you do so. We were covering Radiant at around 4 cents. So again, that would be around 10x from current prices. So Radiant having such big listings is a great thing to see. I do think this is a very strong token, especially for the next bull run, as we said many times on this channel. And they've also launched on BNB chain this week as well. Big news from yesterday was that the US government sold 9,800 Bitcoin on March 14th. This is a batch connected to the Silk Road that was confiscated by the US government, and they are saying that they will be selling more Bitcoin this year. They still have 41,500 Bitcoin to sell. They are saying that they will do it in 3 tranches over the next few months. But if we have a look at what Bitcoin did during the last sell of the government, we can see that on the March 13th, throughout the March 14th as well, we had a spike in price, and since then that was around $24,000, and as you can see, we are now trading at around 28.5k. So even though we did see a dump from the US government, we still climbed upwards. There is literally nothing that can stop Bitcoin right now. And if you are looking to trade Bitcoin or any other tokens, there are many tokens that we cover on the channel that are listed on Bybit. If you are interested, this is my go-to centralized exchange. You can get a bonus in deposits of up to $5,000 if you sign up with the link in the description, and you can get a wide variety of discounts on trading fees as well. So if you are looking to get involved in Bybit, then make sure you sign up with the link in the description below. When it comes to altcoin season is something that we should all look forward to, mainly because majority of us hold most amounts of money in altcoins, opposite to Bitcoin. I do own some Bitcoin, but my altcoin positions are definitely bigger than my Bitcoin position. And right now we are seeing that the percentage of Bitcoin dominance over the market is rising. And this chart will indicate to us when altcoin season will begin. So this chart will be in our weekly crypto review more often, because this will show us exactly when these huge pumps in altcoins will be. As you can see, in the past, in 2017, we had a Bitcoin dominance which was very heavy, and once we came down with the dominance, as you can see, altcoins have been surging. And this was also happening in 2021 when we've peaked with dominance. That's when you can see we had a steady upside in altcoins, and this steady upside was enough for us to have huge pumps, if you remember correctly. And as you can see, in the past, in 2017, we were at much higher levels when it comes to dominance than in 2021. So we are potentially going to be peaking this dominance at a lower number than we have been in 2021. This is something that I'm looking forward to, but I would be expecting more rise in dominance. When we have a rise in dominance, we have to be very careful with our altcoin positions, because these tend to go down pretty heavily when Bitcoin is having its moment. And by looking at this chart, we are seeing that moment coming into fruition. If I had to guess, I would bet at around 50 to 55% dominance before that chart starts breaking down and altcoins can start running, because that would translate with the past performance. As we said, that dominance has been on a steady downtrend. And also, is the next bull run the time of Bitcoin being flipped by one of the altcoins? This is the question. I think with time, Ethereum will flip Bitcoin when it comes to market cap. As you can see, after such a huge surge with dominance, Ethereum is around half of Bitcoin's market cap. When it comes to altcoin season, this number grows exponentially. So I'm really looking forward to what Ethereum will do in the next bull run. If there are no surprises, if there are no bigger events that are bearish for Ethereum, like for example the US marking it as a security, then I do think this bull run will be the year of Bitcoin being overtaken by one of the altcoins. Is it Ethereum? Most probably. But is it possible for other altcoins to overlap Bitcoin when it comes to market cap? It is possible, but it's unlikely. So I'll leave you at that for this week. This is it for today. I will see you in the next one.